guys, welcome back to another video of Life Wonder Beach. So me and my friends, we are on a journey. We are going to Jog Falls today. We started around an hour or two ago. And now it's showing we'll reach around like 11 on maps. Prakash is our DJ. And Joel and Alvin is there. ഇതിലും പറയാനുണ്ട്. Finally arrived at Jog Falls. We are going to the place. We have parked our vehicle. Everyone is here. Actually, Jog Falls is the 10th highest waterfall in India. It's 253 meters. So we have just arrived. We parked our car. We got out. I got my bag. Everything is ready. I'm going towards the waterfall. Oh man, I can see it. I'm putting suspense here. Okay. The car, by the way, was 80 rupees for the car parking fees. And 20 rupees each as an entry fee. So in total we paid around 200 rupees. Everyone is here. Oh man, it looks good. Yeah, get ready for it. Putting on the suspense. I'm putting on suspense. Oh damn, it looks so good. Damn. Okay. There's a different angle. We've come a bit more further up. Oh damn. Damn, that looks so good. So good, man. Yeah. No, all of this mist is from the water falling down and coming back up. എങ്ങനെയുണ്ടാ അല്ലേ സംഭവം എങ്ങനെയുണ്ടാ? ഞാൻ ആലോചിക്കുന്നത് എന്താ അറിയോ, ഇത് 10ാമത്തെയാണ്. ഈ ഫസ്റ്റ് എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടാവൂടാ? ഓ, it looks so slow, man, falling, but it's falling, you know, so fast, but it looks so slow. You know, if you're focusing on that one, let's see, you know, let's focus on just one water. See, feels so slow, but it's going so fast there. I got to know after talking to the locals is that actually, I mean, usually the water is not this much. You can't see this much. It's because the dam opened, the shutter of the dam opened, and that's why there's so much water now. So I guess, let's say, our 4 hours drive was definitely worth it. Okay, so we are leaving the Jog Falls. We are looking for somewhere to eat. It's going to be our brunch, breakfast and lunch mixed together. We are so hungry. We started around 6 from our lodging. It's close to 4 hours drive here. We had rented a car to get here. Hello. We started around 6, right? Close to 6. Actually on the pursuit of finding a good restaurant for us to eat something. The car is in okay condition. I wouldn't say it's the best condition. It's good though. It's not bad. Pretty good. Had our food and got off. I ate a meal, veg meals, but we ordered a plate of chicken kebab. Overall, it was good. I wouldn't say it was the best meal that I've had, but since we were so hungry, it was good. So we have reached Murdeshwar. Our plan was not to come to Murdeshwar yesterday, but then today we noticed that we had a lot of time. Even now we have a lot of time. Going back, we'll have. I think we're gonna be 3 hours early than what we had originally planned. You can see the temple the Shiva statue in the background, and even the temple in the background. But looks like the temple work is still going on. Yeah. Let's. I don't know if we can vlog inside the temple, which I'm not going to. I don't want to disrespect anyone. So then we can. I can vlog the statue and stuff. Okay. Okay, so we've reached. So the thing is, we don't know if we are supposed to remove the chapels here, because I don't know if it's a temple or just a statue kind of thing. Well, I guess let's go see. So we can see Nandi here and then Shiva. I've been to Isha Yoga, Coimbatore. There is another Shiva statue there. Both are really good. That is like a black painted one. This has the snake with the golden color. It's nice. And it's so cool with the birds on top flying around. It's so nice. View is really good, bro. Pass. They're fighting for the front seat. We are in a religious focus right now. We have after going to a temple, we have come to a church. Okay, so what happened was we were almost close to our Manipal. We almost reached Manipal Uni, but then we decided to check church. It's Fatima church. It's close actually. We are close to the university. It's like 10 minutes from here, but then we decided to check it out. Let's go. I love Manipal skies. Okay. Guys, so finally we've reached back from our amazing one-day trip. Very well spent one-day trip, one-day holiday. My hair is looking bad today. I had put shampoo after taking a shower. Yeah, of course I can blame the shampoo and not me having a hair fall problem. And everything else was amazing. If you want more details, please hit me up. I can give you the route or any other information that you want connected to this trip. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video of Life Wander Eats. Bye bye.